Okay, this is a follow-up video to yesterday. So more snow since yesterday, about 18 inches have fallen over the course of last night. Sort of a wall of snow. Come on. It's not so bad. Okay.
I think your mom would get lost in the snow.
Okay, there goes the 39-inch measuring ruler, yardstick, which is an odd length for a yardstick. Is a yard really 39 inches?
No, it's not. It's 36.
Yeah, I thought so.
It's a meter stick then.
I guess, yes, duh. Okay, there's about 12 inches of snow over the 39-inch stick. Wow. Okay. So we're looking at about 51 inches over here, but there might be some drifting. This is the most snow I've ever seen here, and I've been living here about 15 years. The last time I had snow like this, well, not quite like this, but it melted about a week later and there was severe flooding. Yeah. It's not even really going to the bottom. Well, it really kind of frozen down there. 4 or 5 inches above the ground.
No, the sun's up there somewhere. Now here you have a meter stick. I don't know if it's actually touching the ground, but we stuck it in the snow of our path. And as you can see, the snow is a good 4 inches above the top of the meter stick. So that's quite a bit of snow we've gotten here. Pine Hill, New York. We're losing animals in this whiteout. Yep, that's the snow up above the windowsill.
Or new voicemail.
Oof, we're almost trapped. Back up, dog.
Yeah, it's really difficult. You might want to have me give you a hand.
I think I got it. Thank God I was wearing snow pants.
This is great. As immobilizing as it is. He likes anything where he has to work really hard. Take a stroll over to the pond.
Is it coughing on your snow?
Let's Sprocket lead the way.
He's trying his best. Come on, buddy.
No? It's probably considered, probably people complaining this is cruelty to animals or something.
Meek. Sprocket. She doesn't like you very much.